welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my, what is this, April update for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. This is a collab that I'm doing with my bestie Amanda. It is all based on the TV show Supernatural, which I am sad that it is going to be coming to a close, and yeah, I'm a little heartbroken about that. But rest assured, I will get all the DVDs, and when that whole box set comes out. I already have most of them, but you know, I'll get the rest of them. But that's not why you're here. You want to know about the panning project. We are panning a product for every single episode that has aired of Supernatural. We have to tie a product into either the name of the episode, the theme of the episode, or something that is part of that episode. And it's not as easy as you would think, because Supernatural is so dark. I mean, there are some very campy, funny episodes, but it's a very dark TV show. It's good versus evil, and they encounter a lot of dark things. So makeup is a happy place, so it's hard to sometimes come up with a link. So to me, that is part of the fun, is the challenge of trying to find a link. But anywho, we are both on season 2. I almost said episode 2. No, season 2. Slightly different places, but we're pretty close. And it's getting interesting. I can't wait to get on to season 3, but it's going to be a couple of updates from now. But I do have one that I have met goal on. It's not an empty, because I was only trying to hit pan on the red eyeshadow in the Coastal Scents 88 palette. And this is for Bloodlust. Of course, red is for the color blood, the color of blood. And it's baby pan, and hopefully it will pick up on the camera. Let me turn it a little bit, but there is little baby pan in there, and that was my goal. And I just lost the silver eyeshadow, but it's fine. Can you hear my crazy kids out there? They're watching Aquaman for the second time today. They're obsessed with that movie. All right, moving on. That is my product done for that episode of Bloodlust. I will be bringing in another product for a new episode, but let me go over the other 5 products that I still have in. For the episode Children Shouldn't Play with Dead Things, I have the NYX Femme Fatale palette, and I am working on trying to finish this matte cream shade right here. I've got a little dip going in there. I am working on several matte creams right now, so I'm kind of alternating through them, so the progress isn't quite as fast on this. It will get done though. For the no exit episode, there's a lot of ectoplasm in it, so I picked gel because ectoplasm is a gelatinous residue left after like spirits and stuff. So I am just below this red line. I have not been using product in my hair as much. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I've been pulling it back a lot more. 1, because I need a haircut. 2, because it's been kind of rainy off and on, and I have got some serious thick hair that doesn't like that high humidity, and it goes poof. So I've been pulling it back so it doesn't look super crazy. So I have not been using as much product, but I'm hoping that the rain and foggy, humid nastiness will end soon. Of course, I live in the mid-Atlantic area, so humidity is just a way of life here. All right, moving on to the usual suspects. I have the Coastal Scents Ultra Silk Mica Powder. I only used this once in the past month. I have been really trying to work on some other eyeshadows that work very similar to that, and so that one was on the back burner for me. For Crossroad Blues, I went with a blue product. This is the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. It was brand new when I started, and now I am down here. I am very certain that this will be done by the next next update. My brain is on episode today. It probably will be done this month as well. For Croatoan, I chose this product here. It's the Revitagen. It reduces scars and stretch marks. I didn't touch it once. I've been remiss in using that product. I will try to get a little bit better with that this month. All right. I am going to be adding in one product. I am on the episode Hunted, and in that episode, Sam goes to see Ash to find a clairvoyant because psychics are like popping up dead. There are some other things with psychics going on in the episode, but I'm focusing on the fact that Sam went to go visit Ash to try to find this clairvoyant. And with that, I have chosen this Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Ashen to represent him going to see Ash. And my goal for this is going to be just to hit pan, because I have so many eyeshadows going right now. I don't want to even think about trying to finish that right now. It probably will end up in something else later in the year after I hit pan on it, because a girl's got so many projects going on right now. I've got to set goals for myself as opposed to finishing everything. And I don't like doing that, but I definitely have so many projects going right now that I don't have a choice, but I will probably try to finish that before the end of the year. It's a pretty color. And let me give you a swatch of that if you want to see it. It's super pretty, and I think it's going to be easy to use. This is it right here, and I'm kind of looking forward to using that. It's not as gray as you would think Ashen would be. It's kind of like a shimmery taupe color. I think that's going to be pretty easy for me to use. All right, I am wrapping this up. Definitely go check out Amanda's channel. She's going to be linked down below. Her gorgeous face is going to be at the end of my video. Just click right in the middle of her nose and it'll take you to her channel. See how she is doing. I know she's doing just a little bit better than I am. But, you know, this is not a race. It's not a competition. It just is. So go check her out. Show her some love. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.